Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. Today we are going to see tips to reduce the negativity of nakshatra, which is known as Purvashada. If you are new to this channel or you are new to astrology, I would like to share some information regarding this nakshatra. Purvashada is a nakshatra owned by Venus and it falls in the sign of Sagittarius. For those of you who are new to astrology, what it means is this nakshatra has the influence of planet Jupiter and planet Venus. So if you are trying to see how this nakshatra is going to express in your horoscope, then look for the position of Jupiter, look for the position of Venus, and if you have moon in this nakshatra, then these two planets as well as placement of moon, the house becomes very important. Depending on which planet is placed in the Purvashada, you will see that planet exhibiting the qualities of Purvashada. Purvashada stands for the invincible star. It is a star of victory. It is about fame, and hence the people who have dominant Purvashada usually crave for these things. They want to achieve victory, they want to achieve name and fame. Usually, due to the influence of two planets like Jupiter and Venus, these people are talented in various aspects. They are good at arts, they are good at music, they can be good at philosophy, and in general, they love to be with different people so that they can advise them. They can manage them or use the resources of other people for their benefit. You must be thinking, if this is the background, then what could be the negative side of this Purvashada nakshatra? Purvashada nakshatra has few negative traits, and they are, these people are excessively obsessed with the thought of victory. These people could be very adamant. These people can have large ego. So if you have dominant Purvashada, typically if you have moon in Purvashada and you are noticing that you are sensing these kind of qualities in yourself, it is a good time to think about it and see what you can change or how you can change things. Because with these negativities, it can ultimately result into loneliness, or these people tend to take excessive risks, show excessive optimism and lose the battle. So how can we avoid that? The first thing is start listening to others. Purvashada people have a tendency to push what they feel is correct kind of thing onto others. It's a good idea to sit back and listen to what others are saying. It is always nice to talk to 10 people before you decide what is right and what is wrong. Always remember, what you think is right can be wrong for some people. Your excessive enthusiasm, your excessive optimism may not always work. So the tips to this negativity are: slow down, listen to others, respect others, and it is okay to lose a battle. It is okay not to be famous all the time. Rather, since it is a nakshatra of Venus, try to have balance, try to seek harmony. If you have any dominant planets in Purvashada, then feel free to write an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Also, if you have any specific experience related to Purvashada, please share it in comments. If you want to know more about astrology, please like this video and please subscribe to this channel. and also share this with your friends who are interested in astrology. Hope this helps all of you to get over the negativity of Purvashada Nakshatra. Look forward to Namaste. Thank you and Shubhamastu. Namaste, thank you, Shubham Bhavatu. The other tips to reduce the negativity could be, the other tips to reduce negativity could be, you can wear color black. Color black comes with a dominant quality. However, always remember this is a nakshatra with harshness. So when you are going to take any destructive step, wear black. And what you are going to destruct here or destroy here, you are going to destroy your own ego. You are going to destroy whatever is wrong in the society. Make sure you take care of your teeth. Also, you can have some playful nature. And remember, Venus is always strengthened when you seek harmony. So always make efforts in seeking harmony. You can wear diamond, you can wear white color as needed in addition to black. Also, drinking some milk with turmeric before going to bed is advisable.